Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 5th of August 2021, Thursday. Dear students, as you know, we are discussing the universalization of elementary education, and we have discussed the problems of universalization of education, solutions to these problems. And today we are going to discuss the initiatives of elementary education. What initiatives were taken, are being taken to universalize this elementary education, to reach out to every child, to get him enrolled in the school, to provide him basic education. Different initiatives have been taken, efforts have been made, different programs have been launched to attain this universalization of elementary education. The students, some of the initiatives that were taken in this direction are non-formal education. Dear students, number first is non-formal education. There various institutions, number of initiatives have been taken to universalize the elementary education in India. And among those initiatives, number first is non-formal education. Dear students, the National Policy on Education 1986 called for a large and systematic program of non-formal education as an integral component of strategy to achieve universalization of elementary education with enough flexibility to enable the learners to learn at their own pace and at the same time having quality comparable with formal education. Dear students, non-formal education is an alternative to formal schooling and is performing complementary role in achieving the goal of universalization of elementary education. Dear students, let's first try to understand what is the meaning of non-formal education, or what is non-formal education. Dear students, as already discussed with you in the previous chapter, non-formal education offers a midway approach between formal and informal education. It is partly formal and partly informal. It is semi-structured, partly intentional and partly incidental. Its major thrust is on the out-of-school population in matters like mass literacy, functional literacy, improving skills, techniques, and lifestyles. It is a lifelong process integrated with lifelong with life and work. It is life oriented and environment based and prepares the individual change for the future. As a system, non-formal education is supplementary or parallel to formal education. It is an arrangement where flexibility is the key word. The system is an open one with regard to various aspects of education, that is admissions, curriculum, place of instruction, mode of instruction, and the time and duration of instruction. It has flexible points of entry and exit, re-entry and re-exit, and so on throughout life. It's a method of taking education to the doors of those learners who cannot get education in formal institutions due to certain factors. Dear students, the Government of India, Department of Education, has been running since 1979 to 80 a program of non-formal education for children of 6 to 14 age group who remain outside the formal system due to various reasons like dropouts of the formal schools, children from habitations without schools, working children, children who assist in performing domestic chores like fetching fuel, food, water, attending to siblings grazing at cattle, etc. etc. Girls who are unable to attend formal schools. Dear students, this non-formal education, it has got some objectives. There are objectives behind it. It is being provided with some objectives like motivation. To motivate the dropouts or such children who have not gone to primary school to enter into the fold of non-formal education. Linguistic skills, to develop in children various linguistic skills and enable them to listen, speak, read, and write properly. Work experience, to promote expertise in children in regard to the work experience and the occupations in which they are engaged in their community, so that their productivity can be enhanced or they may be self-sufficient. Dear students, scientific phenomena, to make children understand and appreciate the scientific phenomena. Healthful living. Dear students, non-formal education is provided to develop in children the skills, habits, attitudes necessary for healthful living. Cultural heritage. Dear students, non-formal education is provided to the children to make children understand and appreciate cultural heritage and traditions of the country. To develop in children functional numeracy. It's one of the purpose of this non-formal education, to develop among children the functional numeracy, sense of citizenship and national integration, to develop in children a sense of citizenship, national integration, secularism, socialism, etc. Awareness. The students, one of the objectives of non-formal education is to bring about awareness among the non-formal education learners as regards current issues and problems of the country and develop competency in properly solving the same. Dear students, these are the objectives of this non-formal education. And inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss it further. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.